What's going on, guys? We got a really massive week coming up here for the markets and for crypto. A bit sweaty. Just finished up my deload kind of day for working out. 6 rounds on the bag and then some abs. So, a little red, a little sweaty, but we're cooling down now. And yeah, guys, I think this week is going to be crazy. I mean, it feels like every week is crazy at this point. But to kick off the week, we're seeing a little bit of a bouncing crypto right now. Nothing too crazy yet. A really volatile day, like a lot of ups, a lot of downs. But tonight, like about 30 minutes from now, when I'm recording this, we have Elon Musk interviewing Donald Trump on X, which I think is probably going to be just a massive, insane event and an interview. Who knows what they're going to talk about? Who knows what's going to happen? Maybe they'll mention crypto. Maybe it'll pump it. Maybe it won't. Doesn't really matter at the end of the day. But should be a crazy event nonetheless. Then we have both CPI and PPI data coming out this week, which always gets the market a bit volatile. I feel like it won't matter as much now with where we're at because we basically know that the Fed's going to cut next meeting. I guess it would just depend, based on this data, if they're going to cut 25 basis points or if they're going to do 2 cuts, 50 basis points. So when that data comes out, we'll see how the market reacts. Could get a little volatile, could pump, could dump. Ultimately, my thoughts, I think we're headed up in the next couple months. I think we're about to enter that parabolic stage of the market. The timing really lines up comparatively to previous cycles. The window we're in right now, the next few weeks would be that big breakout we're looking for Bitcoin into new all-time highs and really the start of alt season with where Bitcoin dominance is currently at. So I think that's what's coming. Obviously we focus a lot on XRP. It's still disappointing to see where it's at, but we do have a lot of positive catalysts still on the horizon. We were hoping the court case would be enough to break us out of our macro resistance levels. It wasn't. So hopefully the launch of the stable coin, or once we pass the appeal deadline, or once one of these hundreds of partnerships that Ripple has comes out from being under NDAs, and they actually officially announce a lot of these things, that'll be enough to really get us going. I think XRP really is, I think it's already started the big move. We just don't know it yet. And these things sometimes take time. But I think once we break out, truly out of resistance, like 64 cents, 66 cents, I think things will get really volatile really quick. And that's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm hoping to see. Now, the other big thing this week that we got to look out for is the fear of war. Okay. I don't know what words get demonetized, so I'll tiptoe around certain words. But there were attacks from some country in the Middle East on Israel, I think. And a lot of people right now are warning. I mean, they've been warning this for months now, right? It's been the narrative for a couple years that WW3 is starting. But who knows, right? These things are all narratives in my opinion. I don't think that a war is really going to break out. But with that said, oil is spiking up in price, and so is gold, which normally those are indicators that there is going to be some kind of event like that. So it's possible. Who knows how crypto will react? We'll probably see in the short term, if something like that happens, we'll probably see a big dump. But long term, I don't think it changes much over the next few months and over the next year or so. But in the short term, it could cause some extreme fear. But we just had kind of a black swan of sorts last week causing extreme fear. So I would be surprised to see another big thing happen like that. But you never know. Maybe they just throw stuff at us back to back to back. As I've been saying, this year, these past few months, Everything's just been getting crazier and crazier and crazier as time goes on, and things seem to be happening faster and faster. So I got to expect the unexpected. Anything can come at any moment during election season. So we'll just have to wait and see, right? We're in the market for the utility. We're in it for the long term. We're in it for the adoption. So it doesn't really change our strategy at the moment. We're just hoping that we can get this Bitcoin breakout parabolic phase of the bull run so that these utility coins can get some kind of pump and we can get some kind of profit. Because if you're like me, you've just been putting money into the market for the past 3 years. You haven't taken anything out. So it would be nice to get some kind of positive price action to at least get, the initial investment out, or something, even half the initial investment back out, to just have some cash on the side ready to go. So quick little update for you today. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Peace.